So this is the Beauty Bakery. Proof is in the this is a mouthful. That's what it is. Welcome friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming at you with another FabFitFun unboxing video. As you can see, I finally received my fall box, so I'm excited to open that up today. Some of the things I do kind of remember that I customized it to get, but we're gonna see what's inside this box. You can see I have my storage of FabFitFun boxes. I also have another one or two under my bed. I actually love saving the boxes, but as you can see as well, this box is a little bit like different from the other ones, because the other ones are like, you know, purple or yellow or pink, and then it would have the design over, and this one's actually just like brown with some design on it. But I'm actually really excited for this. I love the colors that are on it. It actually looks so much brighter in the video than it does in person. That's just me. Let's just get to it. So here is the inside of my box so far. Whoa! As always, we have the magazine, and this time on the magazine is Padma Lakshmi. I'm going to go through the magazine and show you what I got and tell you the cost of it, because it tells you the cost of it in this, and then we can add up the total and find out how much my box is worth. For those of you who don't know what FabFitFun is, it's basically just a seasonal box that you get full of goodies. So you can do it basically where you just pick a box for the season, or you can be an annual member and you get to pay a lump sum and then just get boxes delivered to you, and you still get notified when it's time to customize or add on or anything like that. I'm currently an annual member, so I get obviously 4 boxes a year, 1 per season, but I also have more choices on what I customize in my box, as well as I get an early access to the add-ons that they offer. And they also have these bonus like edits where you can buy things that were from previous boxes, or just like things that the companies that they've worked with, if they want to add more things that you can shop, and you get a super like discount on it. I think some of it's like 70% off. There's multiple things in my house that I've gotten for like super discount. One of them is in this box, and I will show you that to you as well. But let's just get started with the box. So after the magazine, the first thing you see are these 3 little flyers. This one here is for HelloFresh. You get 10 free meals with purchase, and then there's like a code and stuff on there. We actually do use HelloFresh in my house. Maybe I'll do that one of these days with you guys. My sister actually gets it, so it would probably be with her, because of the fact that I don't know how to cook. But from the looks of the recipes, and they give you everything, it's pretty awesome. So I feel like I can't mess that up. Next, there's this 50% off your first 6 personalized wine matches at Bright Cellars. So you take like a quiz, and I guess you see the top 6 that you would most likely enjoy, and then you can get 50% off that. So what does this say? Sometimes you don't need an inspirational quote, you just need wine, which is accurate. Actually, I shouldn't say that, because I'm actually a Moscato person. I don't really drink wine too much, but love me a good Bartonura or Jacob's Creek. And lastly, this is a $15 off your first FabFitFun box. It's a code that I can give out to people. Like it says, pass it on to a friend. And what it says here is it's worth $200 plus of products for just $34.99. So if you need a hookup, let me know. Okay, finally getting to the items. We're getting there. So earlier I mentioned the edits where you can add things onto your box for a super discount. Here is one of them. So right here I have the Sunday Riley CEO Brightening Serum. Now, I had used this to help with dark spots all over my face, and it was magic. So I got this because it is super expensive for this. I had been using a little sample, and I was like saving it, using little by little, so that way I could have it last long. Regular price, this is $122, and through FabFitFun I was able to get this for $59. It is the 50 ml 15% vitamin C brightening serum, and I'm telling you, this is magic for dark spots on your skin if you have problems like I did. Next up, we have the Glow Milk from the Beauty Crop. It's, what is it? Oh, this is actually a liquid highlighter. Let me show it to you. So, this is the Glow Milk. It's a liquid highlighter to shake it up. Oh, I was about to open it like an actual milk carton, and that's not how you do it. Ooh, let's take a look at this. Whoa. So, ooh, that's what it looks like. It's got a little dropper. That's cute. Is there a specific shade? This one is called Blind Date. So the Glow Milk is actually $19.50. Next up we have, so I guess because it's the fall season, we've got this, and it is a pedicure in a box pumpkin spice, I guess, scent. Now this is a made with pumpkin extract. The fruit enzymes naturally exfoliate dead skin cells, and vitamin A, C, and E help reveal radiant skin, and this goes for $20. We have this Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. It's a Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. Use this treatment mask to restore dull hair from the scalp to strands with keratin technology and argan and prickly pear oils. So this goes for $16. Now, as you can see, your girl's hair is not dull, so might have to let somebody else try this out and let me know how it goes. Ooh. I asked for this one. This is the Glossmetics hair removal device. I'm going to take it out of the packaging for you guys right now. But this actually goes for $59.99. Please don't fall out. Oh, it's so tiny. That's what it looks like. And again, this is $59.99. It's the Glossmetics hair removal device. I did ask for this because it was an option for me to choose, and I figured, why not test this out? I've been hearing a lot of people using things like this, so I thought I would give it a try. Another thing that I asked for, now you guys might not take this as like seriously as I do, but I'm really big now on taking my lunch to work. I'm trying to avoid the food court as much as possible, so I got this little thing. This is the hip cutlery case. Now it comes with, oh, so you just like press this little button to like pop it out, and it comes with a fork, knife, and spoon. Obviously this is not going to be there, but yeah, so again, I've been really big on bringing my lunch to work, and lately what I've been doing is just taking like paper towel or whatever and like rolling up my fork, knife, whatever I'm using, my cutlery, because I knew this was coming, so I didn't want to go buy anything. But I love it. It's got like this hard case and everything just fits so perfectly and neat, and again, just like clips right in. Things like this make me happy. This is regular price, $14.99. Another product that I was excited to get is this Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Now this is regular price $22, and I got it part of my box, and I'm excited to try it. I've been trying to test out different eyebrow products, so just to kind of find out what works for me. When it became an option for my FabFitFun box, I was like, okay, like I have to get this one. So now I have it. This one I thought was really, really cute. This is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. Wow, look at that packaging first of all. This is $38. I'm going to actually show you the colors right now. Here are the colors, and as you can see, check out those cute names. We've got rice pudding, chia pudding, bread pudding, butterscotch, spice caramel, mango pudding, nana pudding, warm cocoa, and almond jelly. That is just exciting. Now, low-key, I wish this stuff smelled like it, but now I've never really got to experiment with eyeshadow as much. As you guys know, I've made like one makeup video this entire time I've been on YouTube, so I'm excited to actually try these out. Fall is coming. I can play around with these colors. These are perfect for fall. And again, I love the packaging. Proof is in the pudding. And I also love food, so to have something named after food, perfect for me. And finally, the last thing in my box for this season is, oh, I hope I'm not gonna butcher this. It's the Botkier New York Trigger backpack, and it's this cute little mini backpack, which I actually think is adorable. That's the brand, if that helps. This backpack is $100. This backpack is like a third of the cost of the annual membership. It's got this cute little flap here, and then it's just really cute, and I like the little pockets. I like the design. You never know. This might end up turning into my work backpack. I really do like this one, and yeah, like, I'm excited to wear this. I actually didn't know how I would feel about the backpack, and now that I'm seeing it like out of the plastic, not in just the picture and whatever, this is cute. Alright, so now it's time to calculate how much this box actually is. I'm gonna go through here because I kind of dropped everything everywhere on my floor. The backpack is $100. We have the Glossmetics hair removal device, which was $59.99, so I'm just going to say $60 to round it off. So we have the Proof is in the Pudding palette, so that was $38. The Anastasia Clear Brow Gel was $22. The cutlery set was $15, so it was, right? It was $14.99, so we're just going to say $15. Pedicure in a box, the pumpkin spice one, was $20. And we also have the Perfect Repair Mask, which was $16. And lastly, we have the Glow Milk, which was the liquid highlighter, and that one was $19.50, so we're just going to say $20. $291. So this box is worth $291, which is a steal considering the annual membership that I pay is like only a little bit more than that. So in this box I got 8 items, and say if I was to buy this in store, it would be the 8 items plus tax. So this is pretty great. This is such a steal for all these items that I'm actually super excited to use. Oh, and I also forgot. So we add this, which was $59, which is regular price $122. This box is still worth $350, which is $15 away from my annual membership. And this is one box. Remember, I get 4 of these. So as you can tell, I'm a very big fan of FabFitFun. I love the items that I get. I always seem to love the items that I get. It's almost like they know me by now. All the items that maybe I couldn't customize or maybe didn't like automatically come with the box, it's almost like they know, Ashley's gonna like this one. Anyways, friends, that was it for my FabFitFun unboxing video for the fall season. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button if you did, and hit that subscribe button on the side, wherever it is on the page, to see more videos like this. I have a huge announcement coming up, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So please stay tuned, and until then, stay safe and stay sane, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!